Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making fried rice the one pot method. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box. So I've got some chicken breast cut into pieces and I'm seasoning it with salt, garam masala, adobo, nutmeg, cinnamon, curry and some stock powder. One pot fried rice means you are cooking your fried rice in just one saucepan, so you'll not be cooking your rice separately as we do in the usual fried rice recipes, but you'll be cooking everything in one pot. It's very simple and delicious, trust me. I'm going to fry 2 chopped onions in some preheated oil for about 2 minutes. And then I'll add my seasoned chicken. Fry until the chicken becomes white and not pink anymore, to take about 5 minutes. I'm adding some black pepper, but you can add some crushed chilies for more heat. Since this is a quick recipe, I use frozen vegetables. You can go ahead and use fresh ones if you want. I use this method when I have no time but I want to eat fried rice. It always comes out delicious. I'm going to add some frozen prawns as well. I'm going to cook for 2 minutes after I add the prawns. When I don't have chicken breast at home, I use tuna and prawns, or just the tuna alone, and it's very delicious as well. I'm going to season with 1 stock cube and cook for 2 minutes as I said. I've added the rice, but before adding the water, I'm going to simmer it for a few minutes, and alongside I'll be stirring it as well. I'm adding some turmeric for some color, so it's either you add turmeric, saffron or curry for the yellowish color. Add your water according to the amount of rice and the type of rice you are using. I added more turmeric to it and a pinch of salt. After tasting it, you need to taste it before adding the salt. I'm going to cover and cook until my rice is done, but I'll be stirring it in the process. It takes about 40 minutes from start to finish to prepare this dish, so it's very quick. My rice is almost done, but before I turn the fire off, I'm going to add some eggs. Yes, some eggs. This is fried rice, guys. This is optional. You can make it without the eggs and it will still come out very delicious. Using a fork, I make some holes in the rice before adding the eggs. This is because I want the eggs to come out a bit larger. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook on very low heat for about 10 minutes before stirring everything up. So this is me after 10 minutes and I'm stirring it, and you can see that the eggs is well cooked. So this is my one pot fried rice recipe. Hope it was simple to follow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye.